What's up, Wheelers? Jason at Carnage 4x4 Adventures. Today we are working on a 2015 Grand Cherokee Eco Diesel, and there's a cooler hose under the intake, turbo oil cooler or turbo cooler hose. Got that all done. Then there was a leak up front after pressure testing. Did that, and then when it was warming up, I had a coolant blow, and there's a hose that goes to this oil cooler that blew. So, watching some videos, and people were saying take the AC compressor off and the bracket that holds that idler there. So I decided I would try without. So I went underneath, undid the hose that blew from the engine side, not the cooler side, pushed it off, and now I got it out, 3 bolts, and then this bracket here on the new one, undo them here, and then loosen this one, and this all comes out of the way for the most part. I got it all far enough already, and I know it's going to come out. I just need to unhook these 2 sensors, one here, one here. I got to unplug them, and then it's going to come out. So it's not half as bad as I thought it was going to be. Stay tuned. Okay. Used a pick to get the bottom plug off. Used my hand to get the upper plug off, and a pry bar just to push the little keeper on, that I'll show you in a second. But we're ready to come out, so let's see what happens. Look at that noise. Oh yeah, and I did pull the air filter assembly out. So this little keeper right here is what I had to push off with the pry bar. But no need to take all this crap off. I'm extremely thankful. So the new one comes with 1 sensor, not the other. Here's our blown hose, which you can tell it's ballooned, and then that just started blowing out for some reason. But obviously the hose is no good. I'm going to change out this. I don't know why it came with 1 sensor, not the other one. Wasn't too tight. There's the new hose, and there's the old hose. Tell it was ready to go regardless. Just happened to go while I had Back in. What we have to do is put the bolts in and hook everything back up. We'll go underneath and show you where that hose goes. So that lower bolt boom. So, let's show you from down here. If you take these two tranny and engine cover off, up there is the hose, two sensors, and it's all reachable from down here somewhat. We're under pressure right now. Don't see any other leaks, but I had under pressure before that one started leaking and burst after it got hot. Yeah, as you can see here, this thing was leaking under the intake for days, forever, months. So I never had enough pressure to build up while it was hot and made that hunk of junk break.